Hello fellow horn players, this is Jamie and I'm back with another video to help you become a better horn player. This video is a C scale practice with me. So what that means is I'm gonna play the note and then you're gonna play the note right after me and we're gonna learn the whole C scale. I'll have the fingerings up on screen for you while we play, and I will also have the notes for you down in the description box. But before we begin, let's talk about the C scale real quick. The C scale doesn't have any sharps or flats, so all the notes are natural, and you begin on the C scale and go up the musical alphabet to the next C. So your notes would be C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and then back down in reverse. So here's how the practice with me is going to work. I'm going to play the note for 4 counts, and then you're going to immediately play it right after me for 4 counts. So it'll be C, 2, 3, 4, U, 2, 3, 4, me. All right, goes like that. So grab your horn, put your mouthpiece in, take a big breath, and let's get started.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thanks for practicing along with me. Now, why don't you take that scale and play it yourself in whole notes, then half notes, then try quarter notes, eighth notes. Keep going. As always, if you have any questions or comments or another video that you would like for me to do, leave that down below. And you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at j2horn. Now, go finish practicing.